Okay, go ahead. Wow.
I don't know. Hold it. Get the door.
Okay. Oh, poor Duke. Oh, poor Betty. Uh-oh. It's getting on the, Jeez Louise. It's getting on the... Don't get on my camera. Jeez. Good grief. Oh, it's slippery. I wonder how many inches that is already. At least it's so fluffy. Good. You don't want to go playing in it? Huh?
Move the door because I gotta get this.
Oh, I put the rack in. Oops. Slippery. Get out there. Spoiled rotten. You're spoiled rotten. You can see how much is coming down. I don't want it to... Hi. Can't even see. Can't really see how much is coming down.
It's already a foot.
Yeah.
Not a foot, but at least 6 inches.
See who's... Now you got a place to go potty. Oh, it's good. Brr. Alright, I'm turning this off.